Just a quick walk round of the SLX XYZ SMX control system. Got a meter movement on the bed. As you can see, it's in really nice condition. And I've got a little program in it which we'll run for you now. Spindle's running at 1700 RPM there. To show you what it's doing, just doing a circle there. That's the X and the Y moving nice and quiet, as you can hear. I'll run the speed up there and then back down, run it to a slower range. 800, as you can hear, it's nice and quiet there as well, and then back up. 300, 2,500, max. All sounds good. Okay, Colin, that's the video of it running. Couple of other bits. It's got the air drawbar, as you say, variable speed head, and an ISO 40 spindle, which we can do tooling for. SMX control, and a meter movement on the bed. Bed is also in lovely condition. No marks that I can see. No marks at all. So yeah, all is good with this machine. I'll give you a call later today. Thank you.